Hello, and welcome to Make Money Territory, where we take the complexity out of crypto. Today, we're delving into the world of Cardano's native cryptocurrency, ADA. Now, if you're not familiar with ADA, it's one of the top contenders in the crypto market, boasting a unique two-layer architecture that separates settlement and computation into different layers, enhancing speed and efficiency. It's not just about transactions either. ADA also supports smart contracts, opening up a world of decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Cardano platform. It's a heavyweight in the crypto ring, often jostling with the likes of Ethereum and Bitcoin for a spot in the top 5 by market cap. But as with any crypto, it's not all smooth sailing. Recently, however, ADA has experienced a significant price drop, and we're going to explore why that is. In the past few weeks, ADA's price plummeted from 81 cents to 61 cents, a considerable adjustment by any standard. This drop in Cardano's native cryptocurrency wasn't just a random occurrence, but rather a consequence of a couple of key factors. Let's take a moment to unpack them. The first factor is supply pressure. In the world of crypto, supply and demand rules reign supreme. When the supply of a cryptocurrency outpaces its demand, it's quite natural for its price to drop. That's what happened with ADA recently. An increase in the number of ADA coins in circulation, without a corresponding rise in demand, led to a drop in its price. The second factor is something a bit more extensive: a broader market correction. This is a phenomenon that occurs when prices in a market, in this case, the cryptocurrency market, adjust in response to economic events or changes in investor sentiment. Recently, we've seen a general trend of correction across the crypto market, and ADA was no exception. It's important to understand that market corrections are a normal part of any market cycle, even in the volatile world of crypto. Now let's talk about the current market conditions. We're in a phase where investor sentiment is cautious, and this is reflected in the prices of many cryptocurrencies, including ADA. Investors are weighing their options, assessing risks, and this naturally affects the demand for cryptocurrencies and their prices. But here's the thing. While the price drop might seem alarming, it's essential to look at the bigger picture. In the grand scheme of things, ADA's price drop is more of a temporary setback than a permanent downfall. It's a market correction, a readjustment of prices to their true values. Despite this downturn, the overall trend for ADA remains bullish. This means that even though ADA's price has fallen, the expectation is that it will rise again. The current price drop, in fact, might present an opportunity for investors to buy ADA at a lower price before its expected rise. So, keep an eye on ADA, and remember, in the world of crypto, volatility is the name of the game. Despite the recent price drop, ADA's midterm trend remains bullish. Now, you may ask, what does this mean? Well, in the world of technical analysis, trends are everything. They help us understand the direction of the market and predict potential future movements. And for Cardano's ADA, the trend is pointing upwards. Let's talk about a term you might have heard before: a rising channel pattern. In essence, this is a bullish indicator that shows an upward trend in the price of an asset. In this case, ADA. It's characterized by two parallel trend lines that the price moves between. The lower line, also known as the support line, represents demand. It's where buyers tend to step in and push the price higher. The upper line, or the resistance line, is where sellers often enter and push the price down. So why is a rising channel pattern a good sign for ADA? Well, it's like a staircase to growth. Each time the price hits the support line, it bounces back up, climbing higher and higher. This indicates that buyers are willing to pay more and more for ADA, which is a clear sign of bullish sentiment. But, like any prediction, this bullish outlook is not set in stone. There's always the chance that the price could break down below the support trend line. This would mean that the demand for ADA is not as strong as we thought, and it could lead to a bearish trend. However, for now, ADA's midterm outlook is promising. The rising channel pattern suggests that even though there might be momentary dips, like the recent price drop, the overall trajectory is upward. It's like riding a roller coaster. Sure, there might be some drops along the way, but the end destination is higher than where we started. Remember though, investing in cryptocurrencies like ADA always carries risk. It's essential to do your own research and make informed decisions. This bullish outlook remains valid unless there's a breakdown below the support trend line. Cardano isn't just about the price of ADA, it's also about the technology behind it. This revolutionary blockchain platform has quickly established itself as a leader among Layer 1 protocols. But what does that mean exactly? In the world of blockchain, Layer 1 refers to the underlying main blockchain network. Other layers, like Layer 2, are built on top of Layer 1 to improve scalability and efficiency. Cardano's Layer 1 protocol has been making waves due to its high level of development activity. Every week, developers around the globe commit to improving and expanding Cardano's capabilities. These commits, as they're called, are essentially updates or modifications to the code. The sheer volume of these weekly commits showcases the strong developer engagement that Cardano enjoys. It's a testament to the collective effort to push the boundaries of what Cardano can do. But why does this matter to the price of ADA? Well, in the world of cryptocurrencies, the value isn't just determined by market forces. It's also influenced by the perceived value of the technology behind it. As Cardano continues to innovate and develop, it enhances the platform's potential, and by extension, the potential value of ADA. In other words, each commit, each line of code, each improvement to the Cardano platform could be a step towards a higher price for ADA. It's like building a house. The more work you put into it, the more valuable it becomes. So while the price of ADA may be down now, the future looks promising thanks to Cardano's ongoing development efforts. So let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. Cardano's native cryptocurrency, ADA, has recently experienced a significant price drop from 81 cents to 61 cents. This was primarily due to supply pressure and a broader market correction. Despite this downturn, the mid-term trend remains bullish. A rising channel pattern indicates potential growth, suggesting that the current correction could be a springboard for a new bull cycle. Moreover, Cardano leads in blockchain development activity among Layer 1 protocols. The high weekly commits showcase strong developer engagement, further solidifying the bullish outlook. However, a word of caution. If ADA breaks down below the support trend line, it would invalidate this optimistic perspective. Remember, the world of crypto is volatile, but with understanding, you can navigate it. Until next time, this is Make Money Territory, signing off.